Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you a tarot reading for the month of September 2020. This is going to be for Aries, the Mesh Rashi. Let's see what's in store for you. You've got the Knight of Wands, Aries. I see a lot of energy. You're going to be very energetic in the month of September. And this is, of course, the Wand card represents you. You have that youthful energy, and you can always, the month of September, maybe you want to, you have things to do, you have plans, you want to complete your pending work, something like that. You may also have the energy of envy, which is slightly not very positive. So remove this energy, let it go in the month of September. And I also see the work card coming for you. My workplace is a drama free zone that brings me peace and fulfillment. So somewhere you're happy with your workplace, there is no kind of any kind of hassles there, you feel peaceful, fulfilled. Apart from that, if I look at your work cards or your career cards, I see the King of Pentacles. I see that you are interested, you have pretty much a lot of maybe a sufficient amount of money, finance, and you're happy with your financial freedom in the month of September. I don't see any financial problems coming for you. I see the door to spirit coming for you. I feel that maybe you have that your intuition is going to work in the month of September. I see that you'll be relying on your gut feeling when you would make some kind of some kind of decision in the month of September. And I also see the emotional health card coming for you. I honor my time and energy by making smart choices that leave me feeling good about myself. So somewhere you're going to honor your time, energy, you're going to make smart choices, and that will help you to proceed further in life. Now in your love life or your committed life or marriage life, whatever it is, I see the card of Eight of Cups. Now this is a card of being a little bit, you're trying to find things out, being a little bit maybe going for some kind of quiet moment with yourself, analyzing your life, maybe thinking about what to do next in life. So going away from trying to analyze your life in a way, your emotional life, maybe just think about it and come back. That's what I see when I see this card. Okay, a little break from things and just pondering and just finding out what needs to be done further. I also see the card of a happy family. So I see that maybe you are thinking about having a family, or maybe something to do with family, a happy family kind of thing. Maybe going ahead with it, with your plans, or taking care of your family better. Maybe these type of thoughts are coming for you. You also have the emotional energy of I trust myself to act when the energy moves me. So somewhere maybe you are right now not being able to make decisions for yourself and your family life, and you're waiting for the right moment maybe, or you might when you feel that you want to act on it, you will definitely take the steps ahead. And you also have the inner peace card. I have this feeling that you're quite peaceful in your life, and if you wish to have a family or you wish to make any family decisions for yourself, you would always make it. You might think about it right now, you might ponder about it, but I feel that you have this peace in your mind, in your heart, that things will fall into place. Apart from that, let me see your health. I do see that you might struggle in the month of September with your health. So keep your goals, your health goals very clear, and do what is possible right now in the month of September, and see that whatever routine you have, you follow it properly. So take care of your health. I also see the thinking man coming for you. If you are as I can see, you analyzing your life, and you want to think more as to maybe plan things. So overthinking is not correct, which I feel that this card says, irrespective of your gender. And also for your physical health, I see that I keep sacred the daily habits that make me feel good and myself to vibrate highest potential. So I see that you have some good habits that you follow, and you need to follow those good habits. Overthinking will not help you, and if you're struggling with your health, maybe you need to just take care of your overthinking habits if you have, and keep your daily routine which you have good habits, that healthy habits that you have, that will help you to keep your mind, body and soul in balance. So this is what I have for you, Aries, in the month of September. If this has benefited you in any way, you can give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe to my channel, you can leave a comment, and you can always email me for any questions that you have. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.